Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and disconnecting power. This prevents short circuits and lost settings. Once done, attach an ESD strap and lay the keyboard on a soft towel to protect the case. Use a keycap puller for larger keys first, pulling straight up to avoid bending stems. Make sure to photograph the layout so you can restore keys later. Keep small parts organized in labeled containers. This saves time and prevents confusion during reassembly. Once caps are off, decide whether you're removing switches or adhesive layers. For mechanical switches, desolder or use a hot swap puller while counting removed units. This prevents wiring mistakes later. For membrane keyboards, slowly lift clips and use a plastic scraper to cut through adhesive. Do not use metal tools that damage traces. As you work, label harnesses and keep screws sorted by location, so you can match spring orientation and stabilizers exactly when rebuilding. This preserves tactile feel and stabilizer functionality. To finish, reseat switches or replace membrane layers and reconnect ribbon cables, making sure stabilizers and springs align correctly. Once reassembled, plug in and run a keyboard tester to confirm each key registers. This catches issues before final sealing. If some keys fail, reopen case and inspect solder joints, ribbon cable seating, and any torn traces. Cold solder joints are common. Finally, secure the case and clean the surface. If persistent problems remain, swap the suspect switch or consult a schematic for trace-level faults.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.